Good evening, my dear third semester mechanical and automobile students. Today I will discuss three important problems in the chapter Thermal Engineering 1. These questions are based on Otto cycles. Then first question is like that. An engine working on Otto cycle has a cylinder diameter of 200 mm and stroke of 300 mm. Clearance volume is 1550 mm3. Determine the air standard efficiency for the engine. Take gamma is equal to 1.4. First of all, data given. You know that D is equal to diameter of the cylinder, that is 200 mm given. L is equal to stroke length is equal to 300 mm, that is given. We know that swept volume or stroke volume is equal to Vs is equal to pi by 4 d square L, where D is equal to diameter of the cylinder, L is equal to stroke length. Putting all the values we have, Vs is equal to pi by 4 into 200 square into 300 is equal to 9428571.429 mm3 after calculating this formula, these values in the calculator. Again, Vc is equal to clearance volume is equal to 15 lakh mm3 given. We know that V is equal to total cylinder volume, Vc plus Vs. Then V is equal to 15 lakhs plus 9428571.429 is equal to 10928571.43 mm3. Then we know that R is equal to compression ratio is equal to total cylinder volume by clearance volume. Then total cylinder volume is equal to 10928571.43 divided by 15 lakhs is equal to 7.28. Then you know that air standard efficiency of Otto cycle is given by, this is the symbol for efficiency, Otto is equal to 1 minus 1 by R to the power gamma minus 1. Then putting all the values we have, 1 minus 1 by R is equal to 7.28 to the power 1.4 minus 1, where gamma is equal to adiabatic index, that is the value is 1.4 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 7.28 to the power 0.4, because 1.4 minus 1 is equal to 0.4 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2.21 after calculating this value in the calculator. Then 1 minus 0.4524 is equal to 0.5476 is equal to 0.5476 into 100 is equal to 54.76%. कारण सब एफिशिएंसीटा परसेंटेज रे बाहर से आम मल्टीप्लाई कले 0.5476 इंटू 100 इज इक्वल टू 54.76%. Then I will discuss another problem. Now next question. An engine working on the Otto cycle has a cylinder diameter 100 mm and stroke 150 mm. The clearance volume is 0.295 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. Find the air standard efficiency of Otto cycle. Take gamma is equal to 1.4 for air. Now data given. You know that D is equal to diameter of cylinder is equal to 100 mm is equal to 100 by 1000 is equal to 0.1 meter, because 1 meter is equal to 1000 mm or 1 mm is equal to 1 by 1000. Then L is equal to stroke length is equal to 150 mm is equal to 150 divided by 1000 is equal to 0.15 meter. Then clearance volume BC is equal to 0.295 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube given. We know that VS is equal to swept volume or stroke volume is equal to pi by 4 d square L. Then after putting the values, we have pi by 4 into 0.1 to the power 2, that is square, into 0.15 is equal to 1.178 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. Then you know that R is equal to compression ratio is equal to total cylinder volume divided by clearance volume. Therefore R is equal to V by Vc, but V is equal to Vc plus Vs by Vc. Then Vc is equal to 0.295 into 10 to the power minus 3 given, plus Vs is equal to 1.178 into 10 to the power minus 3, कारण ये वैल्यू बाहरी Vs is equal to pi by 4 d square L divided by 0.295 into 10 to the power minus 3. Then after calculating, we have R is equal to 4.99 is equivalent to 5. Then air standard efficiency of Otto cycle is given by 1 minus 1 by R to the power gamma minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 by, जेहेतु R is equal to 5 बाहरी 5 to the power 1.4 minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 5 to the power 0.4, because 1.4 minus 1 is equal to 0.4 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 1.90 is equal to 1 minus 0.526. Therefore 1 minus 0.526 is equal to 0.476 is equal to 0.476 into 100 is equal to 47.47%. कारण सब मन रखिथब एफिशिएंसीटा सब बाहर परसेंटेज रे, से आम कौन कले 0.474 इंटू 100 इज इक्वल टू 47.4%. Then I will discuss another problem. Next question is an engine working on Otto cycle. Stroke volume is 9424,800 mm3. Clearance volume is 15 lakhs mm3. Determine the air standard efficiency of the engine. Take gamma is equal to 1.4. This is the constant value. First, data given. Vs is equal to stroke volume is equal to swept volume is equal to 9424,800 mm3. It is given. Then Vc is equal to clearance volume is equal to 15 lakhs mm3 given. We know that R is equal to compression ratio is equal to total cylinder volume divided by clearance volume is equal to Vc plus Vs by Vc. Putting all the values we have, Vc is equal to 15 lakhs, that is 15 lakhs, plus Vs is equal to 9424800, given 9424800 divided by Vc is equal to 15 lakhs is equal to 10924800. After addition these terms, 15 lakhs plus 9424800 divided by 15 lakhs is equal to 7.28. Again, we know that air standard efficiency of Otto cycle is given by 1 minus 1 by R to the power gamma minus 1. After putting the values we have, this is the symbol for efficiency, Otto 1 minus 1 by 7.28 to the power 1.4 minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 7.28 to the power 0.4, because 1.4 minus 1 is equal to 0.4 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2.21 is equal to 1 minus 0.4524. Then after subtracting from 1, 0.5476 is equal to 0.5476 into 100 is equal to 54.76%. Therefore, efficiency of Otto cycle is equal to 54.76%. Kindly like, share and subscribe my channel एवं मो वीडियो देखंतु और ये जो प्रॉब्लम सब प्रैक्टिस करो, विदाउट प्रैक्टिस केबे तुम सक्सेसफुल हे परिबनी। प्रैक्टिस करो, कमेंट दियो, कोडी बुझि परिबनी कमेंट दियो, तापर हम निश्चय तुमको हेल्प करिवो। ये जो प्रॉब्लम सब प्रैक्टिस करो, निश्चय तुमको परीक्षा रे हेल्प करिवो बोली मोर आशा। थैंक यू।